Hello, this is News Live. Here's the headline. 2 AR men killed in ambush, bodies condemned. Sisipur College, a block vandalized. Manipuri diaspora holds convention in New Jersey. Indoors Ghost Hospital awaits building. JP Nadda praised Haryana growth. Tibetan's followers celebrate 94th birthday of Dalai Lama. India office demand peaks as flags GCC's led quarter second. Indigenous rifle ready in 100 days. China's missile test from nuclear sparks concerns. Iran begins procession through Tehran for Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's funeral. Now, the news in detail. 2 AR men killed in ambush, bodies condemned. At least 2 Assam Rifles personnel, including a convoy driver, were killed in an ambush by unknown assailants on Monday afternoon along National Highway number 202 near Nung Sangkong, roughly 18 kilometers from Urkhel district headquarters. Warrant officer Balwant Singh and driver rifleman CM Singh, both attached to the 40 Assam Rifles Shangshak post, died on the spot after gunmen opened fire on the army truck around 2 p.m. The bodies have been taken to the Shangshak Assam Rifle camp. The vehicle sustained multiple bullet holes to the windscreen and the left side. The personnel were reportedly returning to their Shangshak camp from the Urkhel direction. Sources said the exchange of fire continued for more than an hour as Assam Rifles troops returned fire. A team of Urkhel police led by the SP Avinav rushed to the scene to inspect the site. Security forces have cordoned off the area, reportedly awaiting the arrival of a forensic team from Imphal. Several local civil society leaders also went to the spot to oversee developments. Sisipur College, a block vandalized. The ongoing dispute over Chuchampur College Autonomous Principal's post turned ugly on Monday, with some students vandalizing the administrative block and disturbing teaching atmosphere in the college campus. Even though Jinjamang T. Jomi was appointed the college principal recently by authority concerned, the appointment was challenged by Caroline Jothangmawi, a contender for the post. The dispute resulted in an impasse and disturbed teaching atmosphere in the campus since the past several days. The dispute escalated Monday when some students supporting the contender entered the college campus at about 1 p.m. and allegedly vandalized college properties in the administrative block. The incident led to an uneasy atmosphere among staff and students as a regional students' union Chuchampur College Autonomous announced closure of the administrative block until further notice due to prevailing situation within the campus. Manipuri diaspora holds convention in New Jersey. More than 250 members of the Manipuri diaspora from across the United States, along with participants from India, attended the 35th annual convention of the North American Manipur Association NAMA in New Jersey on July 4. The event began with the singing of the national anthems of the United States and India by Langlen Haisnam, followed by an opening song presented by the New Jersey host family. Participants also paid tributes to members of the association who passed away. Awards were presented to winners of painting and essay competitions held as part of the convention. The evening concluded with cultural performances featuring Western music, dance, karaoke, a women's group dance, and the traditional Manipuri folk dance Thawal Chongba. JP Nadda praised Haryana growth. The prime accused in the rape and murder of a 12-year-old minor girl at Baripur in South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal was arrested on Monday, the Baripur Police District insiders informed. Bengal Chief Minister Shivendu Adhikari promised stringent action, even capital punishment for the accused persons in the case. Indoors Ghost Hospital awaits building. In Madhya Pradesh, Indore, a 100-bed hospital is used perfectly on paper, but the reality is rather paper-thin, as despite having 87 staff members assigned to the facility, not a single rig has been let for the structure, which was approved 6 years ago. Frustrated residents of the densely populated Kasrana area and social media users have dubbed the project a ghost hospital because despite official staffing and budget approvals, the site remains just a vacant plot as the health authorities have not received possession of the land. Officials on Monday said that the process to set up the 100-bed civil hospital was initiated in 2019 and approved for construction in 2020 to provide better medical facilities to the population of approximately 5 lakh in Kasrana and the surrounding areas. China's missile test from nuclear sub sparks concerns. The Chinese military on Monday said that a nuclear-powered submarine successfully test-fired a missile toward the Pacific, which triggered concerns from several nations in the region, Japanese media reported. According to Japanese government spokesperson Minoru Kihara, the projectile did not fly over Japan's territory or its exclusive economic zone, and the Japanese government was also notified in advance regarding a ballistic missile launch from China. However, Chief Cabinet Secretary Kihara criticized China for continuously increasing its defense spending at a high rate without sufficient transparency and expanding its nuclear missile capabilities, including intercontinental ballistic missile, rapidly and extensively, Kyoto News reported. Tibetan's followers celebrate 91st birthday of Dalai Lama. Tibetans and millions of followers worldwide celebrated the 91st birthday of the 14th Dalai Lama on Monday and wished him a long and healthy life. The Central Tibetan Administration (CTA) on behalf of the Tibetan diaspora offered its heartfelt birthday greetings to the Dalai Lama with sincere prayers for his continued good health, long life and boundless compassion to benefit all sentient beings. Manipuri Diaspora holds convention in New Jersey. More than 250 members of the Manipuri diaspora from across the United States, along with participants from India, attended the 35th Indigenous Rifle Ready in 100 Days UZRAM 7.62 51mm battle rifle developed jointly by Hyderabad-based startup Deepa Defense with ARDE has completed key Army and Ministry of Home Affairs trials. Developed jointly by Deepa and DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment ARDE, the UGRAM rifle is now under procurement by several Central Armed Police Forces. The rifle was designed and built in just 100 days, billed as one of the fastest indigenous weapons development programs in the country. According to the company, the rifle has completed extensive reliability and endurance testing and is now moving towards procurement by the CRPF, ITBP, SSB, and NSG. Iran begins procession through Tehran for Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's funeral. Iran began a procession Monday through its capital Tehran for the funeral of the late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Khamenei's flag-draped coffin and those of his family killed February 28 in an airstrike at the start of the war launched by Israel and the United States, set on board a truck. Authorities decorated the truck's side to resemble the ornamental grating that surrounds the shrine of an imam. Thank you for being with us. This is MM News Live English edition.